Hello learners, welcome to PSR Comrade, and in this video lesson we are going to discuss previous year's question on political theory. So let's start. So the previous year's question is political theory is a not escape mechanism but an arduous calling. This quote is said by John Plamenides. So firstly, while reading the question, we have to identify the keywords and demand of the question. So here the two keywords here are political theory is not escape mechanism. So that is the first keyword, and the second keyword here is but an arduous calling. So arduous calling is the second keyword. So now we will discuss the what is the meaning of this quote, and on that basis we will able to address the demand. So firstly we will try to explain the first keywords. So it says that political theory is not escape mechanism. So what does this mean? Look, so political theory is not escape mechanism. That means this quote is stated to defend political theory as a stream. Why? Because there was a one phase of political theory wherein it was in decline, and that decline, because of that decline, it was criticized as being escapist. So it was escapist, and it was ignoring the real world problems for the sake of perfecting techniques and tools of the study. So the context here is what was there in 1950s. There was a behavioral revolution. So because of the behavioral revolution, the focus was solely on facts and objectivity, sorry, plus behavior of individual. So this was the approach. So this has led to decline in political theory, because there were a lot of political issues happening, like the social movements, and the political theory as a stream could not relate to why these issues were happening. So that's why it was in decline. So that's the here is the meaning of the first keyword. So now we will move to the second keyword in the question, that is arduous calling. So we will have to explain the second keyword as well. So what does it mean? Arduous calling means, look, arduous means the effortful, lot of efforts are required. So the political theory, because of its widespread role, is effortful venture, means it requires lot of efforts, because it plays a significant role in different aspects and areas of life, be it political, social, economic, environmental. So that's why it is arduous calling. So look, here we have to simply explain this term arduous calling with the help of significance of political theory, what is purpose and role of political theory, and what is the status of political theory. So on that basis we will able to do justice to this keyword. So what is the significance of political theory? Significance of political theory is in the its role as a function of social criticism plus reconstruction. What does this mean? So political theory criticizes different aspects of political life, thereby corrects or identifies mistakes and try to reconstruct new processes, institutions and ideas. So that is the first important role. The second important role that is played by political theory is that it ensures dialogue between different scholars. So that is the second important function. So you can, on these two aspects we can say the political theory is significant. So now purpose and role. So we will have to explain the purpose. What is the purpose and role of political theory? So look, political theory plays a very important role in the sense that it is descriptive in nature. Suppose like what has happened, so it can describe with the help of the political concepts. Then it can play a role in a criticism. Then prescriptive. The political philosophy, which is a part of political theory, gives ideals of good political life, like justice, etc. So that is there. So that is the third role, and the last role, that is analytical role. Analytical role in the sense that it provides understanding of different political concepts. So that is there. So this is the four aspects regarding the role of political theory. Now we will discuss the status, that is the third important thing. So look, status of political theory can be defined by two keywords here, as and in earlier video lesson we have discussed about the previous question. So it is called master science. So that's his status. It is architectonic in its character. So that is there. So with the help of these three aspects, you can explain the why political theory is arduous calling. So now I'll just give brief outline regarding how you should write the answer for this question. So introduction. So look, in introduction you can define simply what is political theory. So that you can do. You can also give significance of political theory. So like political theory is a progressive and change oriented. So like that you can briefly, you have to in 2 lines discuss this. Otherwise you can also introduce this question from the contextual perspective. So what is contextual perspective here? That because of behavioral revolution there was decline, right? So because of that it was called escapist. But that is just one phase of political theory. Political theory is very much effortful venture. So like that you can discuss regarding the contextual aspect as well and start the answer. So now we will discuss the body part. So in body part, like we have discussed earlier in the start of the video lesson regarding the two keywords. So that just you have to briefly elaborate. So I have done elaboration as well, just write that, and after that you have to underline the summary. What is the summary of this statement? Any attempt to limit the scope of political theory amounts to death of soul of very much subject. So that is the case. And lastly, the conclusion part. So in conclusion part, you have to stress on importance of political theory for present and future. So political theory is instrument of social inquiry. So you can, with this statement you can highlight its role. You can also highlight that without political theory the political life will lead to political life will lead to stagnation. So that you can definitely discuss, and it is very much essential for progress in political life because it gives ends, that is objectives and ideals, as well as means to achieve them. So that is there. So I hope you got uh, you got very good new things related to answer writing in this video lesson. So thank you for watching. Look, my YouTube channel is new, I have just started, so please like this video, share it to your friends, and please subscribe my YouTube channel. It will motivate me to post interesting content. So again, thank you. Bye.